If you are already making content on TikTok Shop and you are not leveraging the videos you're making on TikTok onto other platforms so that you can make more affiliate commissions off the videos you already made, you need to watch this video. A lot of people don't realize you can share your TikTok Shop affiliate links onto other platforms. If you literally just share your link and send it to your mom, brother, friends, family, put it on other platforms, do whatever with it. If somebody clicks that link and buys it on that link, you still get a commission. Now, if that information was new to you and you want to start repurposing your TikTok Shop videos onto other platforms, some obviously work better than others, and the best one is going to be Pinterest because nobody else is doing it. And I'm going to jump over to my laptop right now to show you exactly how you can do the same. Now, in case you live under a rock, this is Pinterest. It's kind of like a mood board website where you can get inspiration for hairstyles, tattoos. That's what a lot of people use it for. But nobody really uploads videos on the platform because they don't realize you can. There's some right here like this credit card, but it's an ad. So this is where we are going to leverage the TikTok Shop videos because there's not many videos on the platform. So it's very basic. You make a Pinterest account, you're on the website, you go to the create button, and this is where you would actually drag in a video file. Now you're probably wondering, okay, how do I get the video? You would literally just go to any TikTok Shop video that you've already made. Here's one that I made, and we can watch it really quick. Putting chemicals on our face in 2025 and realize that sunscreen is literally so bad for you. So we're not going to watch the whole thing, but you get the point. I was talking about a beef tallow sunscreen. All we have to do is literally just boom, copy link, go to snaptik.kim, paste the link here, download it, and while this is downloading, it's going to pop up right here, and I would literally just drag the MP4 file onto Pinterest right over here. Okay, once you have your video downloaded, you literally just drag it into this box right here. If you're doing this from your iPhone, it might look a little different because I'm on a computer, but it's literally the exact same process. You drag the video in, and you want to have a title, which is obviously a little bit clickbaity. So in this video, this is a beef tallow sunscreen. I'm talking about how normal sunscreen has carcinogens in it and it might cause cancer and it's poisonous and yada, yada, yada. And this one is only a 4-ingredient natural remedy. So I'm trying to talk to people that are interested in that style of products. So the title is very clickbaity. Sunscreen is poisonous now, question mark, question mark, question mark. And then in the description, never using normal sunscreen again with like that gross like vomit emoji. Found this and it's been a game changer for me. Yada, yada, yada. You guys get the point. Pause if you want to read. But basically, clickbaity title. Build some trust and urgency in the description. And then for add a link, I'm going to put an overlay of my phone on the screen. You literally just go to your TikTok Shop account and find whatever the product is. So for this one, beef tallow sunscreen, and click the share button. Once you do that, bring the link over here, paste it in, and this is my custom affiliate link. That's literally it. For the board, you want to press create board, and this is where you would literally just create whatever mood board you want. I would just name it like favorite product finds or Logan's favorite picks or whatever you want. The board name does not really matter. And then in terms of tagged topics, literally just think of what you're doing. So I would type in maybe summer, and things come up like summer nails, summer hairstyle. You could do another one. Let's try sunscreen. If I could type it right. Face sunscreen, sunscreen, body sunscreen, natural sunscreen. Natural's probably a good one. There we go. Let's type in tanning products, tanning beds. You just got to mess around with this and see what is doing good for you. If you're a TikTok Shop affiliate and you're making good videos, which I should note, if you're uploading bad videos, this method is not going to work. You have to still make good videos. So if you want to learn how to do that, I'll have a link in the description and you can watch any of my other YouTube videos. I have tons of free content, and the link in the description is a free video guide explaining exactly how to make TikTok Shop work and just make money in general. But when you have good videos, you already know that you have to kind of split test different things. So tag a bunch of different tags, see what's working. If this one gets more views than a different one, I want to look at why that was. Is it the title, description, the tags? What's the difference? But that's literally it. That's the entire video. And if this doesn't show you how easy this is, I'm like shocked if you don't at least give this a shot. I would literally just press post, and if anybody watches this, clicks my link, boom, I just got another sale and earned another commission. That's literally it. So hopefully that helps. If you found value in this video, please drop a like below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them on this video, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any other videos like this.